Makofi tafadhali. Welcome, Governor.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and all protocol observed for the sake of time. Your Excellency, we really thank you for making time to be with us. We know that your schedule is crazy today, and it took a big sacrifice for you to come and be with us at the second HOMA Bay International Investment Conference. You gave us an hour. I know we've spent about 12 minutes of it, so we have 48 remaining minutes. It is our intention not to pass that hour even by a single minute because of the honor that you've done to the people of HOMA Bay. And the HOMA Bay people are here inviting guests from the breadth and length of the country and the world, investors, CEOs, different people. Our local leadership is here. And I'd like to just take this opportunity to make a recognition of our local leadership. Honorable Peter Opondokaluma, please just rise and wave. That is the MP for HOMA Bay Town constituency. I would like to recognize the Honorable MP for Rangwe, Honorable Dr. Lilian Gogo, asante sana. I'd like to recognize Honorable Dr. Eve Akinyi-Obara, MP for Kabondo Kasipul. I'd like to recognize Honorable Senator Beatrice Ogola, nominated senator. And I'd like to also recognize Honorable Dr. Joyce Osogo Bensuda, who is the woman rep for HOMA Bay County. And I'd like to take this opportunity to invite our senator for just 1 minute to speak a single minute on behalf of the leadership, the local leadership that is present here. Karibu sana, Senator. While the senator is coming, I would like to recognize the Speaker of the County Assembly of HOMA Bay. Please just rise and wave. Honorable members of the County Assembly of HOMA Bay, tafadhali msimame, mtambulike. Asante sana, it's a full house here. Members of county assemblies from different counties, you will be recognized as we proceed on. Senator.